Every day becomes the same. Hate myself, I can't complain. Now I'm numb and you're to blame. My new normal feels so strange. Kill my pain, 'cause it's killing me, and sometimes that's okay. The pills are fake, they don't do to me what you do to my brain. What you do to my brain, when nothing feels the same. Come on over, kill my pain. Come on over, kill my pain. Kill my pain. Kill my pain. Kill my pain. What you do to my brain, when nothing feels the same. Come on over, kill my pain. Come on over, kill my pain. It's been a while since you've been gone. It's got me lonely and withdrawn. Just come back for one more day and give me one more chance to say, kill my pain, 'cause it's killing me, and sometimes that's okay. Pills are fake, they don't do to me what you do to my brain. What you do to my brain, when nothing feels the same. Come on over, kill my pain. 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 Kill my pain. Kill my pain.
I wanna know your dark side. I wanna know your secrets. I wanna be your lifeline. So I wait for you, wait for me. Wait for you, wait for me. Tell me you're more than just a highlight.